If you like really sweet and rich desserts, this recipe is for you. A sticky toffee glaze soaks into every nook and cranny of this apple cake. You won't believe how easy it is to make this show-stopping dessert for your next holiday gathering. So you want to start by combining a half cup plus 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like canola oil, with 1 cup of granulated sugar. The oil will help keep the cake moist for days. Whisk well. Next, add in 1 large egg and 1 egg yolk. Mix well. Now you want to add your pre-sifted dry ingredients. They are 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon baking soda. You can also add cinnamon and or nutmeg if you wish. Fold the dry into the wet, but do not overmix. Now fold in a large Granny Smith apple cut into 1-inch pieces. Make sure you cut your apple up before making the batter. Now pour your batter into a greased and floured, parchment-lined 9 by 9-inch square baking pan. Make sure you spread the batter evenly. Then place into a preheated 325-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 30 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. To make the toffee glaze, all you do is combine a half stick of butter, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons heavy cream, and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it boils, add in a half teaspoon of vanilla. Poke the cake with a toothpick all over before making the glaze and while the cake is still warm. Pour the glaze all over and spread evenly. Let the cake cool for a few hours if you can wait that long. Look at how moist that cake is. This is one of my favorite cakes, and I'm sure you and your family will love it. Thanks for watching and enjoy.